So guys, we're taking another walk. It's 8:09. We're taking another walk.
There's a parking lot.
Okay. Ooh, where am I? Someone adopted the cats na?
Huh?
Someone adopted the cats?
I will swap for them once they're ready to eat na solid food to...
The vet? The clinic?
I'm the one giving milk na eh. Like, I'll post lang for adoption.
Let's keep it.
We have a baby po nga. Thank you for coming with me.
Okay. Let's go. Tumatay na.
What?
Wala namang tayo eh. I need to pee nga eh.
You?
Yeah.
You can.
Okay lang. I don't want to pee here. I don't want to pee here. I don't know.
Hear it?
Yeah. Yeah, but I'm scared now.
Don't be scared. You're scared of dogs.
Say hello. Say hello.
Hello.
Bang Kai? Kai! So blurry? On your camera so blurry.
Also the back. The back and the front.
Dito. Wala ng aso. Wala ng mga aso.
Want to pee? Yeah, po.
Ah!
May sound dito, shovel.
Wait. What's she doing?
Maybe she likes to poop. She only poop little.
Hurry up.
You can walk there, it's right there. You
No,
can take a video.
I don't want. I don't want that. I'm scared.
There you go, light lang.
Can we go there na? Let's go. Aso. Aso. Walang open yung gate.
The gate is opening out because he's also scared.
I'll light the camera muna. Cut. Oh. Hmm? Look, she's not scared. Hello. Takot. I'm scared.
If you want to become an engineer, for example, when you have a house like that, and then someone would have a campus, engineer, you need 3 floors, make it houses. You know that?
I think so. Yeah.
Maybe.
I don't know. If I become an engineer. Motorcycle. Tatayo yung aso.
What?
Tatayo yung aso.
What?
He's standing up.
What are you tied up?
He's tied up na eh. He's tied up to the jeep.
Tied up?
Yeah. No food. I know.
Bangkay!
Kay!
Bangkay!
Uy! Uy! Uy!
Bangkay!
Ay!
You hold them. Bangkay! Let's leave him.
Ayun. He's tied up there.
Yeah. Hindi talagang lolo bangkay. No, you're fighting with a little kid.
Grumpy Lolo fighting with a little kid.
Don't focus the flashlight on someone's eye, ha? Like no one driving.
Yeah.
Bangkay, bangkay!
Woo! Woo! We're back. Almost there. Huh. She pooping? What's she doing?
Careful, baka nasa car. Bangkay. Baka di na dito. Nasa car ka. Ay, ano ito daw? Did you see the dog?
Yeah. Let's go home.
Thank you daw.
Film. We're back. We're back.